So hello guys, in this video we are going to solve this problem. So in this problem it is given that we have this integral which is 2x plus 1 divided by x square plus 4x plus 1 power 3 by 2 dx, and we have to tell which option is correct. So let's see how we can solve this. So we have this integral. So what we can do, we can take this x square outside from this. So if you take x square outside from this will become like x square power 3 by 2, and here you will have 1 plus 4 by x plus 1 by x square power 3 by 2. Now this thing after simplification will become like x cube, and now you have this 2x plus 1 in the numerator and x cube in the denominator, which you can write in this way, like 2 multiplied by x power minus 2 plus x power minus 3 divided by this thing dx. So now what you can do, you can assume this 1 plus 4 by x plus 1 by x square as t. So if you differentiate this, you will get minus 4 by x square minus 2 by x cube dx is equal to dt, and you can take minus 2 outside from this expression. So you will get minus 2 multiplied by this 2 by x square plus 1 by x cube dx is equal to dt. Now this you can write like 2 multiplied by x power minus 2 plus x power minus 3 dx is equal to this, you can take in the right hand side, so this will become like minus dt by 2. So this thing is equal to minus dt by 2. So in the numerator we have the same thing. So this thing will become like minus dt by 2, and this thing will come as t power 3 by 2, because we assume this expression as t. So this will become t power 3 by 2. So here you can see that we assume this as t. So we have this. So now this integration is simple. So 1 divided by t power 3 by 2 integration is t power minus half divided by minus half, and this minus half and this minus half will cancel, and you will get this. So you can replace t by 1 plus 4 by x plus 1 by x square, and after simplification you will get this as x divided by x square plus 4x plus 1 power half plus some constant of integration. So if you see the options, this will be equal will be matched with this b option, and so b option is correct, and in this way we can solve this.